Welcome to IDN 532. My name is Joe Ryan. I'm the instructor for this course, and I just want to welcome you, and I want to tell you that I'm really excited about your selecting of this course. I'm also really excited about that you're selected this particular program at Quinnipiac. It's a wonderful one. I've worked at four other institutions, and I know that this particular program is well on its way to being very, very successful. And it's new and it's sharp, and the instructors that you have had and you're going to have down the line, I think you're going to be reasonably impressed with them. There's a group of really great professionals within this program. With IDN 532, this course is a little bit different than the other ones. Obviously, it's an elective, and one of the things that's encouraging to me is that whenever students come to this course, I'm pretty confident that they're going to stay in the program because they're taking an elective. So that's really great things. The thing that makes this course a little bit different is that this really kind of departs from any type of theoretical type of foundation. I mean, there's a little bit of that at the very beginning. There's about 4 modules, say, of kind of background items on design and development of online courses, and then the great thing is when we get into Module 5, the rest of the course is going to be working on the final project. And the final project is going to be a very, very practical deliverable for you in terms of elevating yourself, hopefully, in your current workplace or getting a job elsewhere with what you are going to produce. And that is, you're going to be creating an online course based on a topic of your choice. You're going to define a learning need, and you're going to fill it by creating an online course for it. So it's a very, very practical, very experiential, very applicable to the workplace, and that's really what my goal is. My goal is to help students get good jobs and either elevate themselves or find a new one. And I've actually had reasonable success in that already. So think about that. Think about your goal in mind here is to create the best possible artifact you can for your professional life and so forth. So basically what's going to happen is the first third is we're going to be looking at the background of online learning and the history of online learning and things like that. And then we're just going to move right into the practical. We're going to just be building elements through assignments and through just creating learning elements to be placed in a Blackboard course. So that's really, really exciting stuff. And it's true that there's going to be lectures, there's going to be some demonstrations, there's going to be assignments, there's going to be discussions and things like that, which you would expect in any other online course. But it all leads up to that final goal and that final outcome. And we'll be talking about that very idea, the idea of what an outcome is, and that is the big outcome for this particular course. So welcome to the course, and this is obviously a great time because this preview week. You're going to get a chance to look around in the Blackboard and get familiar with some of the elements in there and how the interface works. And it's great that you can do that because your course that you build is going to be very much in the same type of arrangement as the course that we're going to be working in. So, and the great thing is you're going to be working within it to learn, and then you're going to be working within it as you develop your own project course. So. It's really exciting stuff, and it's a really great course, and we've had really great feedback from students in the past. So welcome to the course, and we're going to get started with some practical things and with some preview things over the course of this week, and then next week we're going to begin with Module 1, which is going to talk about the efficacy of online learning, whether this thing is here to stay or not. I would argue it is, but we're going to look at some of the practical background with that, and you can look forward to that. So have a wonderful preview week, and I'll see you online. Bye bye.